Hello, my name is Paul Gapes. I'm the General Manager of Pacific Data Systems Australia. Pacific Data Systems Australia is a technology company based in Brisbane Technology Park at 8 Mile Plains. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Diesel Particulate Analyser that we have recently designed, manufactured and taking to the market both across Australia and overseas directly or through established channel partners. What's inside the box? After you've received the Diesel Particulate Measurement Real-Time Kit, you'll open up the box and you'll find the operating manual, the instrument, the sampling hose, the probe, the remote control, the replaceable filters. There'll be 5 in the pack, the power supply, which also doubles up as the charger, the calibration check plug, and also international adapters. Now I'd like to go through the instrument part identification and connection of the sampling hose to the instrument. On the front of the instrument you have the monochrome display, you have the 6mm jack for connection of the remote control for single person operation. You have a green LED which is also used as an indicator for the single person operation, and then we have the enter button to flow through the prompts on the screen when it's turned on. I'm lifting the unit up by the carry handle, and on the back of the instrument on the top left hand side you have the power button, you have a fuse, so if the unit does not switch on, first port of call is to check if the fuse is blown, and the second port of call is to check that there's actually a charge in the internal battery. This is your external power connection for connecting the external power supply and battery charger. You have your filtration system here. You can see that the filter is clean. If you are conducting multiple tests, you will need to change out the filter. When the filter becomes dirty, the filter will look like this, and you can see the contrast between the clean and dirty filters. The bottom right hand side here you have the plug insert. This is where you have the opportunity to do a cal check on the instrument with the calibration check plug that I indicated earlier. You have the USB port. At this present point in time it's only for factory use, and then you have the sample hose connection point. This is where you actually connect up the sampling hose and sampling probe, which we will do now. This is the sampling hose that was indicated earlier. It's an easy, quick connector. Slide the collet back on the hose, connect it up to the sampling port, give it a small tug, make sure that it's fitted connected. Grab the other end of the hose, grab your sampling probe, and then connect up the sampling probe to the sampling hose. Your unit is now ready to be turned on and run through the startup procedure in order to conduct either a continuous check, stall test, or free acceleration test, which we'll discuss further.